Hi there. Hey. I was just collecting some things for your holistic facial and energy cleansing session. I'm really looking forward to it. We're going to do it inside today, so you can relax and stay nice and warm. Follow me. Come through into the treatment room with me. It's a lot warmer in here. It's a little bit windy and cold out there today. Come in and relax. In here, I have everything we need to make the perfect holistic facial and aura energy cleansing session. I have some specialist sound therapy equipment and some herbs and tonics that I've made myself. So get comfortable and we'll lay you down on the couch. Here I have the perfect serene spot for you. Just lay down and relax. Here. Let me get a cushion to place under your head. Okay. So today we're going to have a look at your skin and analyze it for you. And I will be using some of the herbal holistic tonics that I've created in my studio to help give you a nice clear complexion and rosy glow. Then after that, I'm going to be analysing your aura and just cleansing out any heaviness, any stuck energy that we can find there for you. Okay. I'm just going to pop some gloves on and we'll start with cleansing your skin. Going to take a close-up look at your skin first and just have a little bit of an analysis here, just to see what you need. It bounces back nicely and you have a nice complexion. A little bit of dryness, but we can sort that out and we can help stimulate some blood flow and bring that glow back to your face. Okay. We're going to start by just cleansing with some rose water. This is rose water made from my garden and it's just going to give a little cleanse just to start off the session. I'm going to place a little bit on one of these cotton pads. And just gently clean I'm just going to grab another one, please. And place a little bit more rose water on it. Just so I can do a nice sweep down the sides of your face, okay? Nice gentle sweep and sweep around and across the top and the chin, under the neck. Just a nice sweep. This is nice and cooling and calming for your skin. Now we have your skin all nice and clean. I would like to use some different tonics on it, just to help bring back some of that moisture. It's a little bit dry in some areas. You tend to find you get oily in some places and dry in others. It's very, very common. I have just the thing. So what I'm going to do is place a little bit of this tincture on. This is a mixed herbal tincture. It's going to tone the skin and it's going to help just even out the skin complexion and make it feel a lot brighter and cleaner. It is a mixed herbal tonic that I created myself. Let me just get us another cotton cloth, and then once I've applied this, I will be going back over with a jade stone roller. I have one for gently underneath your eyes and for around the neck and the sides of your face. So this is very, very strong, and we only need a couple of drops for your skin. Okay? We're just going to gently dab that on all the way across the forehead, around the sides, down the sides of your nose. There we go. And I'm going to just place a couple more drops. On my fingertips to just massage in, and then we're going to use that roller to help it move all into the skin and do all its goodness. Okay, it's just going to pop a couple of drops here on my fingertips. And I'm just going to massage that in. excess off of my gloves. And I have a couple of different jade rollers here today. This one is gently going to go under your eyes, and this one we're just going to roll that in around the sides, okay? Just getting a little bit of that excess there. Okay, lovely. And under the chin. And around the face there. An upwards motion, sweeping upwards. Now we're going to use the rounder one just under the eyes. This is very cooling and just prepping you for the next treatment. For the final skin treatment, I'm going to use a little bit of aloe. This is aloe collected from my own garden, so it's pure aloe, and it's going to help with that little bit of dryness you're seeing in patches. Okay, let me just collect the jar of aloe. It's freshly collected today, and I'm going to take a piece of aloe and I'm going to place it on an applicator and place it under the eyes and anywhere where you're getting a little bit of excess dryness. Okay? Perfect. Just going to squeeze some of that aloe out there. As you can see it bubbling up a little. I'm just going to place it on this applicator here. And we're just going to gently place that under the eyes. Both sides. And a little bit more. I'm going to just dab this on anywhere you've got any kind of dryness now. this rose quartz roller just over the skin, just to apply the last little bit of aloe we have here. All over the roller for you. And this will just gently massage. Into the skin. Just going to let that soak in a little bit while I prepare for the energy cleansing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using mediums of sound and reiki, and we're going to be first going around and checking your aura and checking the energy. Then we're going to use sound to help break it up a little, and then we're going to pull away and clear anything that is not needed, anything that's heavy, and help you just feel generally a lot lighter and brighter in yourself, much like your skin today. Let me just clean my hands. How are you feeling? Good? So I'm just going to first use my energy to tap into yours, and we're going to just check how the aura is around you today and see what kind of treatments are going to be best for you, okay? Okay, interesting. It's definitely something that we can shift here today to help you feel a lot lighter and a lot more balanced. That's what I'm sensing, a lot of unbalance here, and I can help. We can help with that today, definitely. That's something we can do. Yeah. Okay. Let's start with a tuning fork. And we'll use the tuning fork just to start clearing and disrupting and dislodging any of that heavy and stuck energy I'm feeling. I'm just going to mist around your aura. This is an aura misting spray made up of different herbal remedies. It is made to suit you. This is the best one, I think, for you at this time in your life. Okay. I think I'm going to use a combination of different tuning forks today with you, and this will help to start moving and balancing. The frequencies are going to help align these energies that you've got swirling around at the moment. At the moment, everything needs to just balance out and feel a lot more in line so that you can do your best in life. I'm going to start with the 136.10 Hertz. I'm going to go around, just sweeping. Move on to this other fork. I'm going to place this one a little bit closer to you. This is a 128 Hertz. With the DNA fork, the 528 Hertz. This one is going to start helping the energy around you to align. Take a nice deep breath. Just allow the energies and the frequencies to help you and relax into it, okay? Okay. I can already sense a difference in you. I'm just going to use these bells, and they are going to help just disrupt and dislodge anything tuning forks didn't get, and just send it on its way, helping you feel lighter and taking away any of those feelings. Oh, yeah. now we've loosened all of that up, I can sense there's a lot that I can start now pulling away for you. I'm just going to start pulling away these stuck pieces. The sound was not able to dislodge and completely remove. I can feel them there. There we go. Just going to have to get our hands on a little bit. I'm just going to sweep the arm over again. After that intense removal, just to get everything back in place perfectly. Bring that energy down. I'm grounding you. I'm going to finish our session today with the chimes. Just rest there for a minute. You can stay and rest as long as you need to. I'm going to go and get you a glass of water, and when you're ready you can meet me back outside.